Hello there, in this video I will show you WhatsApp received image or photos not showing in the gallery, and also WhatsApp videos are not showing in the gallery using Samsung or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Tap on three dots. Tap Settings. Tap Storage and Data. If you are using mobile data, then select when using mobile data. Select all the options here. Tap OK. If you are using Wi-Fi, tap on when connected on Wi-Fi. Select all. Tap OK. For roaming, tap here. Select all, then tap OK. Make sure to read it carefully. If you want to receive your photos in the best quality, then tap here. Select best quality. Tap OK. Move back and tap on Chats. Turn on media visibility. Now you will find your received photos by WhatsApp in the gallery of your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching.